Hello friends, my name is Surjit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Pahaji. Today we are back with our Excel tutorial session and today we will be learning how to use the new function that is introduced in Office 365, XLOOKUP. So this XLOOKUP is actually a successor of VLOOKUP and is better than VLOOKUP in many options. So we will be discussing how to use it and how it is beneficial to use XLOOKUP over VLOOKUP. So guys, VLOOKUP is not going anywhere, and if you want to see how to use VLOOKUP, I already have uploaded a video earlier, so you will find the link in the description below. And also on top right corner there is an I button where you can find that particular video to learn about the VLOOKUP. As VLOOKUP is used to search for a particular record from a table or an array, similarly XLOOKUP is used to search for a particular things in an array or a table. However, this one is fast and easy to use. So the format is very easy. Let's see how we can do. So on my left hand side I have a simple database wherein I have country name, student ID, name of the student, their respective weight and scores in respective subject like English, German, science. Okay, so here I want to search for these people, that what are their score in English and science. Okay, so let me use the XLOOKUP. So simply I need to use is equal to, use the formula XLOOKUP, double click on it. Now the first thing is that I want to search for this particular ID. I will select that particular ID, use comma. Now I will direct the XLOOKUP function to search for this ID in this group, provide comma again, and the result, what exactly I want to return the result. So as I want to get the result in English, I will select the E column. Okay, now simply you need to press enter, as simple as that. So you can see that for 139 student ID who is here, the respective scores are 74, so it returned the value easily. Similarly, what I need to do, I need to use XLOOKUP here, double click on it. I want to search for this ID, comma, search in the respective student ID column, comma, and I want to return score in science. So what I will do, I will select this particular column and press enter. So for 139 ID you can see the scores are 74 and 64 respectively, which is fetched here. Now to make it to lock the cells, what I will do, I will simply press F4 for B50, B5 and for B27. Similarly, what I will do, I will lock for this particular E. So locking is basically done so that the source and the values remain intact. Okay, so here also what I will do, I will select this B5, press F4, dollar sign is coming, as you can see. Similarly, what I have done, I have logged these columns by using F4. Now I simply need to select these and press Ctrl D to drag the formula. So you can simply see that respective scores in English and science is displayed here. Now VLOOKUP is also doing these things, right? So what is the benefit of using XLOOKUP over VLOOKUP? So I will provide 4 important things that XLOOKUP gonna do that VLOOKUP is unable to do earlier. So for example, let me write 139 here so we can see the difference. So I'm using VLOOKUP here. Let me write VLOOKUP here. These are the results using VLOOKUP and these are the results using XLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is simple. I just need to use VLOOKUP I want to search for this particular ID here. English is in 4th column, so what I will do, I will write 4 and provide this thing. So results are same, you can see. Now if I insert any row, for any particular reason I need to insert any row between name or anywhere in the data, you will see the VLOOKUP will fail to give the result. However, XLOOKUP will not fail. Let me show you. I just inserted one row using the shortcut. See the difference, guys. For 139, for this particular student, scores in English is 74. XLOOKUP is giving the correct information. However, when we talk about VLOOKUP, earlier it was giving the right result. However, once the row is inserted, the theme is changed. See, the incorrect marks are coming, right? And if I delete this row, delete this column, the scores are correct. So you can easily see that XLOOKUP will not be bothered if you are inserting any column or not. Second thing, if I want to get details of the country using these IDs that is available on the left hand side, VLOOKUP will not be able to do it, because VLOOKUP always work from left to right. Using VLOOKUP, you can only fetch details that are available on the right hand side of the search element. However, it will never go left. But with XLOOKUP, this particular problem is gone. For example, if I use country here, I simply write XLOOKUP here. I want to search for this particular ID, select comma, search for the ID in these numbers, and for country I simply need to provide this particular selection, press enter. You can see for 139 Canada is coming, which is absolutely correct. So this is the another benefit. Another thing, as per Microsoft, VLOOKUP is slow. When we are working on data of 1000 or more column or rows, VLOOKUP acts very slow. And as per Microsoft, XLOOKUP is very fast whenever you are using the huge amount of data. So you do not need to worry about the huge data. So we concluded 3 benefits: that XLOOKUP is easy and fast because you do not need to remember the number and all those things, right? XLOOKUP is able to work from left to right or left to right, right to left, whatever the option is available. So that is not problem with the XLOOKUP. Third benefit we already discussed, that if I insert any column in the data, VLOOKUP will fail, because VLOOKUP is designed to search for particular column rows, right, column numbers. XLOOKUP does not use the numbers, so XLOOKUP is easily achievable. Other than that, let's talk about 2 more benefits, that how XLOOKUP is better than VLOOKUP. So for error handling, VLOOKUP will always give you the answer as #NA. Let me show you an example. For example, I do not have any ID with name 100. So you can see this is the error coming. You need to combine another if error formula if you want to eliminate this #NA that is looking ugly, right? However, in XLOOKUP we have an option available. Let me show you that. If I use is equal to XLOOKUP, I want to search for this particular ID, comma, search from here, comma, English is here, select this thing. If I apply comma, then I have another option that if this particular ID of this particular number or any element is not found, then I get the error as NA. Simply press enter. See, this is giving me NA, that if particular number or if any particular element is unavailable in the record. However, this thing can be done by VLOOKUP by using combination of if error. So that particular combination requirement is gone in XLOOKUP. Other than that, I have two people here, 154 Jeff here, and I have 154 Jeff here also. However, the scores are different in English, right? So when we talk about VLOOKUP, let me provide 154 here. VLOOKUP will always search from top to bottom. Okay, it will always display the scores as 100 no matter what, and VLOOKUP stops working once a particular item or once a particular element is found. It will not go underneath. Now for XLOOKUP, there is option available whether you want to search from top to bottom or bottom to top. Let me show you an example. I am using 154 ID here. I am applying XLOOKUP here. XLOOKUP, start the bracket. I want to search for this particular ID. Provide comma. Search in this particular column. Provide comma again. I want to search for English here. If not found, give me NA. I want to find exact column, exact value, exact match, so 0 is provided, comma. Here the search mode. If I want to search from top to bottom, I want to add 1, cross the bracket and press enter. So you can see from top to bottom is searching for 100. Now I want to get this 90 score because it's available underneath. So what I will do, I will simply write the formula again. So we are practicing using this formula again and again, so good for us. XLOOKUP, double click on it. I want to search for this number, comma. From here I want to fetch the record, comma, and then I want to look up for English score, comma. If value not found, if value not found, give me NA, comma. Search for the exact result 0, comma. And if I want to search from bottom to top, I just simply need to press -1, enter. You can see the difference in search for the same ID. However, VLOOKUP will never do that. VLOOKUP will always give you the score as 100. It will not search from bottom to top. So in a nutshell, we have discussed that we have 5 benefits of XLOOKUP. That is, it's easy and fast. Very good. XLOOKUP works in both directions, whether your search or the return value is in left side or right side, it gives you the exact answer. Other than that, if you are inserting any column, you do not need to worry because XLOOKUP doesn't care about inserting any column. It's not dependent on the number. It works from top to bottom or bottom to top as per your requirement. And finally, error handling. You do not need to use any other formula in combination with this particular function to give you the error handling code. So these are the normal benefits of using XLOOKUP over VLOOKUP. So what do you guys think? And if XLOOKUP is unavailable in Office 365, you can simply update it. Again, please check out my previous video. So what do you guys think, that whether XLOOKUP gonna take over VLOOKUP and VLOOKUP will be dead forever? So all your choice, which one do you want to use as per your requirement, because both the functions are working absolutely fine. However, one is a successor of other. So pretty much from my end, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So you know the trick. Click on like button to motivate me to provide more videos like this. If you're coming here for the first time, do subscribe to our channel because we keep on bringing new content, amazing content for Excel tutorials, and Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep learning. Bye-bye.